Rate my setup. Boo. We are continuing to make my home more whimsical, and that means today, my main front window really needs a glow up. So, this is my plan. I have bought two sets of solar-powered lights that look like ivy, and my plan is to go around the window with them. That's step one. Let's go. This is honestly super simple. So, taking some trusty command hooks, the ones with the little plastic hooks, I place them around the edges of the window. And thread the ivy through them. It's honestly that simple. I am really glad that I bought two sets though, as they are rather sparse. But even this makes me so happy. Day 2, and it was time to adorn the ivy. I bought some teeny tiny little pegs and some craft flowers. And then it truly was as simple as trimming the fake stems and gluing them on with the hot glue gun to the tiny pegs. Once they were done, I took them over to the window. I'd also bought a string with yellow berries and flowers, so I wove those into the ivy. Then clipped the pegs into it. And each one I placed brought me so much more joy. So simple, so effective. This turned out so much better than I expected. It was only supposed to be just something small, but honestly, I think because it's the large feature window in my room, that now it's the focal point, and every time I walk in, I see this glorious ivy with these gorgeous little spring flowers on it, and yeah, it absolutely brings me joy. I am looking forward to switching them up for the seasons as well, so keep posted for that. The LED lights are a little bit wobbly already. It's a very thin wire, so I'm not expecting it to last forever. I may have to look into longer term solutions, but I'm looking at it now and I'm so chuffed. It's so beautiful. And that's exactly the point. This whole thing is for me to be making my home more whimsical, and that's exactly what I'm doing, and it makes me so happy. So yeah, if you like what you see, hit like. If you want to stick around and see more of these crazy whimsical things, hit subscribe. And until then, drop some spring flower emojis. That sounds really fucking cute. Let's fill my comments with little spring flowers. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!